Here I have Oppo Find X, and let me show you how to set up an alarm on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the clock. Here, under alarm, just tap on plus. And now just pick the hour on which your device should wake you up or just remind you about something. So let me pick, for example, 5:30. And then you can select if it should be repeated on every Sunday, Monday. Let me pick, for example, every Wednesday. Then you can change the label. Wakey, wakey. Go back. And then you can select the ringtone, which you would like to have. So you can select one. There's a wide list of ringtones, so you can select the preferable one. And finally, you can turn on or turn off snooze option. Once you're happy with all the options, so with the hour, repeat time, and all the rest, just tap on save. You can deactivate this alarm for some period of time just by tapping on this icon, and then, for example, once you're back from your holiday, just tap on it one more time, and now on every Wednesday your alarm will wake you up. You can also add some other alarm with different rules. Of course, tap on save once it's set it. And that's it. You can permanently delete some alarms by tapping on edit, and then just tap on minus. Confirm it by tapping on bin icon. Just one more time. And that's it, you can also delete this one. And now you can add some, tap on done, and now you can add some new one by tapping on plus. And that's it. Do not save. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.